So we are done now with the exploration of the place. This was a beautiful viewpoint. The views from here are, can challenge any other best sites in the world. It's so beautiful from here, absolutely lovely. There is abundance of greenery everywhere, lot of tree plantations. Then the cloud cover is beautiful. Then you have the mountains and the blue sky, and so overall everything combined looks spectacular here. So it was a difficult ride to come here. As I said, it was really bone jarring, especially last half an hour. It was really difficult to come. So, and you have to wake up at maybe 3 o'clock in the morning to come here. Becomes tiring. So the question comes, is it all worth it that you are paying so much and waking up at 3 and then 1 hour of such a treacherous ride? Well, in my opinion, absolutely yes. This is such a wonderful place. If you are lucky, you'll get to see view like this. In most of the cases, you should. Yes, so another viewpoint here. How beautiful it looks from here. So the thing is, if you are coming to Munnar, do come, absolutely do. This is going to be the highlight of your trip. It is so beautiful. I understand, if there is some rains and lot of clouds, you might not see anything. I can totally imagine कि अगर बहुत बारिश हो गई, कुछ हुआ तो it will be all white here. You won't be able to see, so that is one problem. But in most cases, just check for the weather. अगर it is clear, you should absolutely come here. And interesting fact, we started from Kerala, but this peak lies in Tamil Nadu. That's one thing. Other thing is, for people who are elders, who have some back pains, or women who are pregnant, I absolutely advise not to come here, because the ride is very bad. It will be difficult for them. So that is something I do not recommend. अगर आप थोड़ा fit हो तो ही आओ. Most cases में anyone can come, but वही है for elders and children. Children भी आई जाएंगे. So that's about it. The pricing which we paid, हमसे उन्होंने 3,000 मांगा, but the jeep is for 2,500 rupees. So 2,500 rupees you get to a full jeep. Total 6 people can stay there. So out of those 6 people, अगर आप 4 लोग हो तो पूरी jeep कर सकते हो, कम हो तो you can share as well. That is one thing. Then they also offer jeep services from Munnar city as well, but the cost is very high. For us, they ask 7,000 around. They'll pay और ये सब मिला के, which is very high. So if you have your own vehicle, absolutely come to this Surinalli near this Sterling Hotel and Club Mahindra. From there, you have those jeeps and everything. So वो jeep 2,500 रुपये लेंगे और आ जाएंगे. If you're coming on a weekday, then I recommend do not book in advance. Otherwise आप 3 लोग हो गए, पूरी jeep book करनी पड़ेगी and you'll have to pay for that entire thing. यहाँ पे आ जाओ, you'll get in sharing easily. But if you are coming on a weekend or on a holiday, then I suggest book in advance. There's one number I can leave in the description. Just you can call that guy and book in advance. So that will be easier for you. There's also a small cafeteria here. The tea is fabulous, very nice. And then you get Maggie and omelette here as well. So you get to place to eat. You have toilets also here on the near viewpoint. So that is also good. Anywhere you go on this place, you'll find viewpoints with beautiful views like this. There's one another. So beautiful. And lastly, before you leave, you have a small counter here where you can buy tea. This is original Kuluku Malai tea. So that itself should be very good, especially for gifting and all. So we'll see if we can buy some places teas from here for ourselves and for our friends.